we are going to make the Nasi Minyak, or the oil rice or ghee rice. Basically it's called ghee rice, and this is a Malaysian version, and I'm going to show you how to make them. So we begin by preheating the pan, medium high, and we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee and also 1 tablespoon of oil. This is to prevent the ghee from burning. And so now we will add these 4 ingredients: cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and star anise, which is called Empat Sekawan, or 4 friends, and we will saute them. This time we will add the garlic and also some ginger, and we will saute them for a minute or 2. As the smell comes out, the aroma of the spices, now we can add the onion, and we can saute this as well. For the onions to get translucent, we'll add a little bit of salt. So we will saute this for a few minutes until the onions become translucent. The onions has become translucent. At this moment we can add the rice. This is basmati, 2 cups of rice, washed and soaked for 20 minutes. Stir it gently so that it will be all well coated. And we will leave it this rice to cook for at least about a few minutes. Then after that we will add the liquid. It has been 3 minutes. Now we will add 1 cup of evaporated milk and stir gently. And also I have 2 cups of liquid, so whatever the balance from the can that I used for the evaporated milk, and I added more water to dilute it, and I'm also adding that into this. So it's 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of liquid. So 1 cup of rice is 1.5 cup of liquid. So dear viewers, we have rice on the sides and all, so just when you're mixing it will get stuck on the sides, so just bring it down together. And as we have added so now we can add pandan leaves or screw pine leaves. Pandan leaves over here, or we call it pandan. Some of them call pandan, but it is pandan in Asian language, and it's called screw pine leaf in English. So I'll just add this, and I want to cut them into half. This is a little long for me. So you can just spread it out and mix it up again. And close it, and we will let it cook until all the water evaporates, and after that we will dum it by putting it into the oven for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And dear viewers, as you can see, the rice has absorbed all the liquid, and so this is the time that we are going to put it in the oven with a low temperature for at least about minimum of 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, the rice is in the oven, so we will fry cashews and raisins. So for this we will need a little bit of ghee, approximately about 2 teaspoons, and we will also allow the ghee to melt. And as the ghee has melted, now we will add the cashew nuts, raisins. So we will fry them until the raisins becomes like a balloon, like puffs up, and then we can remove it. And the raisins are already puffing up, and it's time that we could remove it and put it aside, and we will add this in the rice. And dear viewers, it's more than 45 minutes. I left it supposed to be 30 minutes, but I left it a little long. And so now this is how the rice looks like. So with that, now we can fluff the rice. And also with that, earlier we did the fry the cashew nuts and raisins. So now we can add that also on top of it. And also we will fluff the rice lightly from the top to the bottom. And without breaking the grains, this is how you fluff the rice. And here we go, and it's now ready to be served. Today I am going to serve with a meat curry, which is not part of this channel, and I will make a different vegetarian dish that can go with this very perfectly. So this is how you make your butter rice or nasi minyak. And so now it's going to be served. So before serving, you can also add fried onions. And here we go, dear viewers. This is our nasi minyak, which is cooked from scratch. So I have showed you the video, and please do try again in your home, and also let me know if there's any doubts about this, and I will respond to you as punctual as I can. And also there is other types of rice, that Malaysian rice, that I can cook, so I'm going to share with you in my coming videos as well, including I will be doing biryani as well. I have did biryani before, but I'm going to redo a different version of biryani for you guys. So I hope you will enjoy this, and see you in my next video. But before that, for those who are watching the first time, welcome aboard, and do me a favor, do like this channel, subscribe, and just share it to a few people as you can, and ask them to do the same, so that the word spreads and everybody can try and enjoy. Home cooking is always the best. You know, all this food, you can't buy them from the store, but you can make them from your home with your ingredients that you have in your home. So with this, I would say goodbye and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.